Investing in real estate definitely has been a great learning experience for me, and I want to share with you the top 5 lessons I've learned so far throughout my journey. Warning, this could change your life. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. Lesson 1. Savers are losers. Literally. I was a hardcore saver until I was a fresh graduate from college. It would always make me happy to be able to save up a significant portion of my allowance or my income every month. While saving is important, what I didn't realize was that I was also losing to inflation. Just to drive this point, I remember when I was studying that Jollibee came out with the 39ers. You can have a rice meal for only 39 pesos. Can you imagine? Well, fast forward to today, and 39 pesos will get you a peach mango pie with 3 pesos change. The truth is, we can't just save our way to retirement and financial freedom. I realized that I needed to invest early. And by investing in real estate, I get not only capital appreciation, but also rental income that both tend to grow over the years. And the next lesson is to hit that subscribe button to learn how you can make millions in real estate. Lesson 2. Not taking risks is the biggest risk of all. So now I've overcome my constant need to see my bank account continuously increase. But before I invested in my first property, I was incredibly scared. Our brains are hardwired to highlight the risks and the worst case scenarios that most likely will never happen. What we neglect are the risks of the actions we do not take, as well as the opportunity costs. Madaling sabihin, di na lang ako mag-i-invest kasi risky. Paano pag nalugi ako? Never natin iniisip, dapat mag-invest na ako ngayon kasi after several years, baka mas mahal na. Parang nalugi ako. And this mindset also brings me to Lesson 3. Getting started early is way better than getting it perfect. Di naman ibig sabihin nito to invest blindly without doing your research. For many, this is the point where they don't want to make the mistake of not choosing the perfect property and end up delaying their investment year after year after year. But if you've done your research and narrowed it down to, let's say, 2 choices, what's the worst that could happen? Maybe malaman mo later on na the second best option lang pala ang napili mo. The truth is, for all real estate investors, there's no magic crystal ball that tells you which property will give you the biggest returns 5 or 10 years from now. All we know is that we have the ability to know which ones will be in the running for the top spot. How? This brings me to the next lesson. Lesson 4. Investing in fundamentals is greater than bargain hunting. Remember this, cheaper doesn't mean better. Many who go bargain hunting for properties have such a broad scope in terms of location and end up focusing on the discount or savings. So much so that they sometimes lose sight of what should be the number 1 priority when investing in real estate. Always invest in a property with strong fundamentals, meaning there are demand and growth drivers in place. Discounts will only give you a one-time gain. Strong fundamentals, on the other hand, well, it will give you gains for decades to come. If you want to know which locations and developments have strong growth fundamentals, schedule a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Lesson 5. Your home should not be your biggest asset. The lifestyle creep comes in many shapes and sizes. From everyday things like yung dati nating minsan-minsan lang mag-order ng grab food, nagiging araw-araw na kasi afford na natin, to even more long-term things like the constant need to upgrade to a bigger, flashier home. Sure, I'm saying that your home is an investment, but only to a point that it gives you security and stability, not a financial burden. In fact, my wife and I chose to live in the cheapest property we have ever bought. In this case, it would be a great idea to treat the bigger and more expensive properties as rental properties. This will give you bigger cash flow long term that will go a long way into helping you achieve your financial goals faster. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Let me help you get the property that best suits your goals and maximizes your earning potential. I am affiliated with the most reputable and trusted developers offering a wide range of affordable to luxury residential developments in Metro Manila and adjacent emerging cities. So sign up now for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.